We as online sellers are so happy when we get sales. But what happens if you get returns? Why do I offer a 30-day money-back guarantee to my eBay buyers? Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV and welcome back to another Q&A Friday. So in today's episode, I'm going to share with you why I offer a 30-day money-back guarantee to my eBay buyers. So I get some questions from my students. Why do I have to offer a 30-day money-back guarantee? Why not 7 days? Why not 14 days? So why 30 days? 30 days is a super long time. Yes, I understand your concern, and as a new seller on eBay, you feel very overwhelmed with this eBay returns. I'm glad that you guys asked the question because in my experience, eBay return is not a nightmare after all. It is not that difficult to handle, and I will share with you at the end of this video 5 tips on how to prevent returns on eBay. So make sure that you stick to the end of this video. So the number one reason why I want to give a 30-day money-back guarantee and I don't mind giving this offer is because I'm very confident with my own products. In my ultimate dropshipping course, there's a module where I will teach how to find top-rated supplier and how you can find good quality products. This is very important, and that is why I'm so confident to give the eBay buyers a 30-day money-back guarantee. All I want to do is to provide the best user experience possible. And the next reason is it will definitely boost the confidence of your buyers. This way, your customer will shop with ease because this gives your buyer confidence. And in turn, it will boost your conversion rate. So you have a bunch of buyers browsing your items and they only see a 7-day return or even no return policy stated on your store, but so many other sellers are giving a 30-day money-back guarantee. So this is to your advantage. Just go for it, because in my course I will teach you how to find good quality products for you to dropship. The last and the most important reason why I want to give a 30-day money-back guarantee to my eBay buyers is because eBay value customers a lot, and eBay will reward eBay sellers that give a 30-day money-back guarantee and help you as a seller to rank your store higher and rank your products higher as well. So this is the most important one. What you want is to rank ourselves higher so that eBay will recommend our store and recommend our products to the customers that come browsing. If your product doesn't rank very well, your listing will be buried under other top-rated sellers. So now moving to the tips to prevent returns on eBay. I have 5 tips for you. So the first tip is to avoid selling products with high rate of return. These items have very high chance of your buyer returning the product. The items examples are fragile and breakable items, like example mugs, as well as clothes. Clothes have many sizes and many different cuttings, so there's a very high chance of your buyer requesting for a return or an exchange. Now moving on to the second tip, make sure that your title of your products are correct and no misleading titles. Some items have different names, for example, spatula that we use for cooking in the kitchen. So there are different types of spatula. Some are slotted spatula, some are turner. So make sure that you got it correct. Otherwise, it will be a bit misleading to your buyers. You will receive return if it's not what they want. So tip number 3, avoid selling items that have little to no descriptions, because we are dropshippers and we do not handle the stocks ourselves. So most of the time you won't be seeing the stock, and hence the product description need to be very detailed. So you need to find suppliers with very good and detailed description of the product. So in this way you can put a very detailed description on your eBay store. So measurements are very important. The purpose of the products is very important. The color, the usage, every single details are super important. So make sure that when you are searching for your supplier and when you are searching for the products to sell, the item description is very crucial. For online shoppers, they are more confident to buy items with a lot of detailed information given. It's either the buyer don't buy your items and you have poor sales, or you will receive a return from this buyer, and you just need to ask yourself, will you buy this item with this kind of description? If you think that you won't, then don't choose the item. So as simple as that. So the fourth tip I have for you is to provide an excellent customer service on your eBay store. Whenever your customers have bought your product and if they have any inquiries, answer them promptly and provide a good customer service to them. This way, they could be your repeated customer, and hence this will boost your store rating because they will give you a very good rating at the end of the transaction. The tip number 5 is ship on time and to the right address. As I'm always encouraging my students to provide a fast shipping for their buyers, so it is highly recommended that you process the order once you receive them. Your items will be processed by your supplier faster and they will ship out faster as well. So I hope after all these 5 tips, you are more confident to make your very first sale. And for those that are new here, I've just recently launched an e-course and the course is called the Ultimate Dropshipping Course. In this course, I will be teaching you step by step on how to make money online using eBay Dropshipping. I will share with you all the tips and tricks on how to earn $100 per day with zero startup costs and with no inventory. So I've compiled 7 years of my dropshipping experience into this intensive online course. So I hope that you will check it out. And right now, I'm having a special rate on my YouTube channel. I will put the link to my course down in the description box below, so to check it out. And the special promotion is just for a limited time period only. If you have not subscribed to me, I share with my audience how I make money online as a stay-at-home mom, to consider subscribing to my channel. And I will see you next Tuesday. Bye bye.